What up, everybody? Cowboy here. I got some fan mail. I'm pretty excited to open it. It's kind of like my first viewer fan mail I've ever received, so I'm hella stoked to open this. I'm almost to 100K subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing and hitting the like button on our videos. Make sure you comment, because I love your comments. And man, this is like awesome. Thank you so much. This is from a fan, Larry DaCosta. And let's see what you sent me, buddy.
Hi, Larry.
Yeah, Jordan says hello, Larry. Yeah, Max says hi too. Go get Mac.
Go get Mac.
Yeah, he always says hi to Max, so. All right, let's see what we got in the box.
You've been summoned.
Hey, Mac, come here. Come on up.
Say hi to your fans.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Well, let's see what Larry sent us, Mac. Awesome. Hey, Wade. I've been following your channel for about 2 or 3 years now and have gone on quite a few adventures with you. I really enjoyed it and have really sparked an interest in going out and exploring myself. My friend Steve and I, a neighbor, does skulls in different projects involving skulls. He recently found a few dragonflies that died on a windowsill of the welding shop. He electroplated a few of them and added a bit of crystal for the tail. I thought you would get a kick out of it. Check his channel out on Facebook, Steve Norgard Christensen, and CUSKULL, Cuss School. Anyways, keep making these vids and I will keep watching them. Thank you, Larry DaCosta. Awesome. Well, let's see what we got. Oh man, this is pretty exciting. Wow. Ooh. Cuss Skulls.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Official.
Wow.
Wow.
Copper skulls, is that what it is? CU?
Yep. Yep.
That's
Wow.
That's the elemental form.
Wow. That is amazing.
That's really cool.
Wow, Larry, this is awesome.
Dang.
Wow, that's awesome. Is that an aqua?
Probably.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
You need a nice display box.
Wow. Thank you. That's awesome. That's one of my very first viewer fan mail appreciations. I do like taking things, and I'll show them out to you guys if you send me stuff. And I'll tell you your name. Awesome. Wow. Blown away. Thank you so much.